The next 3 years are going to fundamentally change how software gets built. And what I'm about to show you isn't some distant prediction. This shift is already happening right now. And the teams, founders, and entrepreneurs who understand it early are going to own the next decade. If we haven't met yet, I am Haji Bakari Silla, AI Avatar. Haji Bakari Silla is the founder of TCH Media, creator of ReviewSmart.ai, author of 7 Keys to AI-Powered Business Success, and a small business owner myself. I run Bakari's Pizza in Atlanta. I host monthly AI mixes. I work with small businesses, entrepreneurs, and service professionals, helping them implement AI systems that automate operations, capture more leads, and build real competitive advantage. Because here's the reality. The AI revolution isn't just changing marketing, it's changing how entire software platforms get built. For decades, building software looked like one developer, one terminal, one long conversation with a machine. And for simple things, that approach still works. A landing page, a quick script, a small prototype. And let's be honest, that's not what businesses actually need anymore. The modern world runs on systems, software as a service, platforms, customer portals, admin dashboards, analytic systems, reporting tools, all connected, all sharing data, all working together without breaking when 2 parts of the system touch the same database. And building systems like that used to require entire teams of engineers, which meant most entrepreneurs simply couldn't do it until now. Over the past year, we've seen something called vibe coding explode. You prompt AI, it generates code, and suddenly you have an app. But there's a catch. Vibe coding worked great for demos, great for prototypes, great for social media flexes. But the moment you try to build real architecture, you hit a wall. The moment you need it, multiple applications sharing the same database, background jobs running automatically, file storage and media uploads, secure user authentication, role-based permissions. The whole thing started to break down. At that point, you had to go back to traditional engineering, but that wall just disappeared. A new system called Deep Agent from Abacus AI is changing what's possible. Instead of just helping you write code, it helps you design and build entire software systems. At real production level software, the kind of businesses actually run on. Let me show you what that means. Imagine you're building a project management SaaS platform. Your customers need an interface where they can create projects, assign tasks, track progress. That's your customer application. But internally, your company also needs an admin dashboard, somewhere your operations team can manage accounts, monitor usage, handle billing, toggle features. That's a second application. Then maybe your leadership team needs analytics dashboards, tracking signups, revenue trends, customer churn. That's a third application. Now here's where things get complicated. All 3 applications must interact with the same database, the same customer records, the same subscription data, some activity logs. Traditionally, designing this architecture requires serious engineering expertise. But Deep Agent understands the entire system. It does not treat each application like an isolated project. It treats them as parts of a unified architecture, shared data models, consistent business logic, proper access control. 3 applications, 1 database, 0 confusion. And when your platform grows, you simply add more layers, a partner portal, a mobile API, web hooks for integrations. Deep Agent keeps the entire system in context. Every table, every endpoint, every relationship. Now let's talk about something most people never see. The background systems, because every serious software platform relies on automated processes running in the background. Scheduled jobs, data processing, automated workflows, the invisible machinery that keeps everything running. Deep Agent can build those too. Need a nightly job calculating usage for every customer and updating billing records? Just describe it. Need hourly sync with a third-party API? Deep Agent builds the integration, handles the edge cases, sets retry logic. Need a weekly report generator that queries your analytics database, generates summaries, and stores downloadable files. Deep Agent connects the entire pipeline. Database queries, file generation, cloud storage, download links in your dashboard. All coordinated, all automated, all built by describing the system in plain language. This is vibe coding at a completely different level. You're not just prompting your way to a pretty interface. You're prompting your way to a living software system. Real applications also deal with real file, documents, images, videos, exports, invoices, backups. That data can't live inside the database. It needs scalable cloud storage. Deep Agent integrates storage directly into your applications. Users upload files. Admins access them. Reports generate automatically. Files store safely. Download links appear in dashboards. All connected, end to end. No manual infrastructure setup. No complex SDK configuration. Cloud storage becomes a native part of the system. Let's be honest about what vibe coding used to be. Fun demos, quick prototypes, cool experiments. But when it came time to build something real, authentication, multi-tenancy, role permissions, background processing, cloud storage, multiple interfaces, reliable databases, you had to stop vibing and start engineering. Deep Agent changes that equation. Now you can vibe code, real SaaS platforms, customer relationship management systems, help desk platforms, inventory systems, sales dashboards, supplier portals, entire operational ecosystems. These aren't hypothetical. These are real systems businesses run every day. And here's the part that really changes the game. Building complex software has always been a coordination nightmare. Developers stepping on each other's code, database changes, breaking other systems, integration bugs, slow releases. Deep Agent absorbs that complexity when a teammate builds a new admin interface. Now, the AI already understands the existing architecture. When another teammate creates background automation, the AI understands which systems depend on that data. It keeps the entire system aligned. One team, one architecture, one AI holding the big picture. Junior developers build faster. Senior developers avoid plumbing work. Product managers describe what they want and watch it become working software, not mock-ups, real systems connected to real data. For years, we've heard that AI would change software development, but until recently, it only improved small things. Autocomplete, boilerplate code, faster prototypes. But the hardest part of software has never been writing functions. The hardest part is building systems. Systems with multiple applications, systems with automation, systems handling real data, systems that don't collapse and are real users, and systems that the teams can actually build together. That's the shift happening right now. AI isn't just helping people write code anymore. It's helping people architect entire platforms. The future of software won't belong to the people who wait. It will belong to the builders, the founders, the teams willing to learn these new tools early, and the first movers. Because while some people are still debating whether AI is ready, others are already building the next generation of platforms with it. If you're serious about understanding how AI is transforming business and software, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I break down real AI systems, real automation strategies, and real opportunities that entrepreneurs and businesses can implement today. And if you want to go deeper, check out my book, 7 Keys to AI-Powered Business Success. You'll find the link below. Inside the book, I walk through the frameworks, systems, and strategies businesses are using right now to adapt to the AI economy. because the biggest shift in business history is already underway. The only question is, will you be watching it happen, or will you be building the future with it? I'll see you in the next video.